Salut à tous, bienvenue dans Asvel Time. Dans ce numéro d'Asvel Time, on vous propose de découvrir l'intérieur villeurbanais. Miro Bilan, on aura bien sûr des images de lui en pleine action. Et puis en fin d'Asvel Time, on retrouvera notre top 10. Mais on va tout de suite rejoindre l'intérieur villeurbanais. Miro Bilan. Avec Miro Bilan qui est donc notre invité dans Asvel Time. Avec Miro, on va évoquer ses débuts dans le basket et puis on va bien sûr parler de la formation villeurbanaise. Mais on va commencer tout de suite par parler des tout débuts en ex-Yougoslavie pour Miro Bilan. Miro, tu es né en Yougoslavie, à Šibenik, la Yougoslavie qui est devenue bien sûr la Croatie. Et c'est la première photo pour toi avec ta photo dans cette aréna de Šibenik. Quelques mots sur Šibenik?
Yes, I was born in Šibenik. It's a very beautiful city on Croatian coast, and the region is called Dalmatia. It's very nice. Probably a lot of people visited Croatia from France, and particularly this photo was taken in my hometown gym. This is the place where I started, my first practice. It was in this gym. For us, it's kind of a legendary gym because Dražen Petrovic is also from Šibenik, and he started to play basketball here and won very important trophy for our town, and this gym means a lot to me.
Allez, on va continuer la carrière de Miro ensemble et on va parler des années collège, les années lycée. What about this photo? Can you explain? I think you're really young guys on this photo.
This is in high school, and it was the finals of the Croatian Championship for high school, basketball. We won it. It was our second time in a row we won the Croatian Championship, and after a year after, we also won it. So I finished my high school with 3 championships in a row. So it was, for our school, it was like big thing,
Okay, so we will keep on with this one. Je pense que c'est une des premières fois où tu portes ce maillot. The first time maybe?
It's my first game actually for professionals. I was not 16 but 15 years old, like 10 months, so almost 16. I always remember this game because when you start playing basketball in your hometown, you always dream about playing in front of your crowd, and this was like a dream come true for me. And I remember I scored 1 point from free throw. Yeah. I played like 10 minutes. I felt a lot of pressure because everybody was on a stance looking, my friends, my family, and it was not easy for me to play, but it's a moment I will always remember.
On va poursuivre avec un petit clin d'œil. Tu jouais pour Mitrovic, c'est écrit sur son maillot.
It was destiny to one day to have coach Mitrovic.
Justement, un mot sur Zvezdan Mitrovic.
I mean, he's a very good coach. Demanding coach. He wants from every player to draw the maximum, that you every game that you give 100%, 110%, and like that we are first, we are doing good like a team, and so far so good. I just hope in the end we can win some trophies.
On va continuer avec la France, bien sûr, et Strasbourg, qui est un épisode incontournable.
Yes, it was my first trophy outside Croatia, and you play finals in front of 15,000 people in Bercy, and it's pretty good feeling, to play in very nice gym, very nice atmosphere, and in the end you won the trophy. And when I come in Strasbourg, I always see that banner, 2018 Coupe de France winners, and it's always nice, to left some mark in the club you played.
Je me demandais si tu avais des modèles en sport. Cette photo, elle est de Rio, bien sûr. C'est Usain Bolt qui est là-bas. Est-ce que c'est un de tes modèles?
Yes, it was on Olympic Games, obviously, and we had a plan to one day to go see Usain Bolt, one of the best athletes ever. And actually, it was funny because we tried to find somewhere to sit,
Okay.
And we find some spot, but it was for photographers.
Okay, so
and
you were made up.
Yeah, we were so close, and they said you cannot sit there. It's for we said okay, we will move after, and we came there at 8, and the race was 10:30.
Okay.
But before that, the accident was the Croatian woman javelin thrower won the gold medal, and it was first gold medal for Croatia in javelin throw.
Really it
was special moment for us, and after that we enjoyed to see the Bolt in person. It was a really great day.
Voilà, ça c'était la première partie avec Miro sur sa jeunesse et puis c'est à côté basket. Moi je vous propose de retrouver Miro balle en main en plein exercice. On regarde tout de suite les images de Miro en action.
Bro, little noodle, bro. You go harder.
In the whip, I'm dipping, dabbing through the traffic. Louis with the Gucci, mix and match in different fabrics. I'm on another level, please don't place me in your bracket. I feel just like Houdini, finesse pockets like it's magic. I'ma break the bank, then escape like it's nothing. I'll pop up in the race, do the race, no discussion. I'ma take your bitch, then get away like it's nothing. Finesse 'em like it's magic, yeah, we always up to something. Always up to something. To get my mind right, get my racks up, now they on me. I'ma cop that new ice, I don't care how much it cost me. Now I'm in the spotlight, all these fake friends trying to talk to me. Used to be so broke, but now I'm rich, these supposed to be stalking me. And I gotta go get it, finessing a minute. I hopped in the foreign for whipping a Civic. I'm running up digits and numbers on limit. Design on my fabrics, you know they all fit it. Finessing like magic, this shit is a habit. I see it, I like it, I gotta go grab it. I'm dipping, I'm dabbing, don't care about trap it. I spin it, I make it back, then I just stack it. I feel just like Houdini, windows tinted, like who see me? I might pull up to the seat in that purple Lamborghini.
Voilà, ça c'était Miro Bilan en action. On retrouve Miro Bilan pour évoquer avec lui LDLC Asvel. Tu as découvert l'équipe cette année. Quel est ton sentiment sur cette équipe?
I think we got a very good team, and especially when some other like teams they play against us and they think about it, I think they can say we are a great collective. We don't have a guy who is like above everybody else. We don't have like one star who is, you know, playing the best, scoring 20 points. We always like play as a team, and so far we were playing great. I mean, we got great results, and it's really, you know, good feeling when you are in such a collective like that, because you are winning the games and everybody is contributing, and that's the most important thing.
Un mot sur la compétition européenne, sur l'Eurocoupe. Jusqu'à présent dans le top 16, LDLC Asvel est invaincu. Est-ce que tu penses, Miro, que l'Asvel peut le faire, qu'LDLC Asvel peut aller jusqu'au bout et gagner cette compétition?
I mean, it's going to be hard as you go through to the next rounds. The teams are getting better and better. And in the beginning, I'll be honest, I didn't expect we're gonna do like this. And when we started to play, I felt like as a team we are strong. I can feel the other teams are respecting us. You know, they are motivated to beat us. I think we got a good chance to go to the even next round. But we need not to think about the final, you know, to think just, okay, we're going to now in top 8, just think about next game, to win the next game, and like that, I think we can go maybe in the finals, yeah.
Vous êtes encore qualifié pour la Leaders Cup et je pense que pour le coach, ce sera un moment important. Un mot de ta part sur cette Leaders Cup?
Yes, coach won it 3 times in a row, and now he's coming there with a different club. And of course, it's a new challenge for him and for us, and we will try to win it, of course. It's hard for everybody, and you need to have a strong team, you know. Not some like 7-8 players, you need to have 12 players to win it. And I think we got good chance, but as I said before, for Euro Cup you need to go step by step. First Bourg-en-Bresse, then we will see.
Tu nous parlais de la Coupe de France, mais je pense que dans un coin de ton esprit, il y a ce championnat de France et ce titre de champion de France. Je pense que c'est une des raisons pour lesquelles tu es ici avec LDLC Asvel.
Yes, the first goal I think for our team is to winning the French Championship, of course. Me as a player, I like to, you know, I would like to win everything, you know, 4 trophies if
So
it's
you're
possible.
a winner.
Yeah, everybody. I think we just need to, you know, go step by step, and game by game we will see.
Okay.
But you know, French Championship is number 1 goal.
Thank you very much, Miro. Merci beaucoup. Je sais que tu parles un peu français.
De rien, de
donc,
rien.
merci de rien, de rien. Thank you very much again. Miro Bilan qui était avec nous dans ce numéro d'Asvel Time. Et on va finir ce numéro avec le top 10 des meilleures actions. Salut à tous.
Oui, avec le N1 en prime. back cross. Beautiful pass from Nelson.
Oh oui, magnifique passe. Et derrière, de
Paris. More action. Really looks great. He doesn't look terrible, but that is perfect execution of transition basketball. Fine pass from Malado. Cabot gets the slam.
Hammered from behind, no foul. Oh, what a pass! And Noor is able to convert.
Zeeb has it pocket picked. Malado with the exclamation point, the quick hands, the steal, the breakaway slam.
Magnétis. Hirobilade. Qui pète un énorme dunk.
Yes, it is. 2-on-1.